It will disappear immediately. Cockroaches, flies, and especially those little ants that are so powerful. If you suffer with insects in your house and nothing you are doing is working, I came to teach you a super tip to scare away all these insects that are appearing around. And if you, like me, don't like to use poisonous products, stay with me until the end of the video so you don't miss this powerful natural tip. First of all, tell me where you are watching this video from. And to begin, in a measuring cup, I put 100 milliliters of alcohol vinegar. Alcohol vinegar is excellent because its smell scares off insects, and it is also excellent for disinfecting. Now we are going to put 3 tablespoons of detergent. You can use any one you like. Mix these ingredients well. Next, we are going to use a spray bottle for easy application. I'm going to add 3 pieces of cinnamon inside the spray bottle. Cinnamon is a great natural insecticide. After this, with the help of a funnel, put the mixture into the spray bottle as well. Let's cap it. And it's ready to use. But the really good thing is to store it for about 12 hours. Here is our mixture. I always like to apply it to my sink, because it gets a lot of those little ants. You just apply it and it all comes out. And the smell, when I apply it, scares away cockroaches, mosquitoes. This little mixture is simply excellent. You can also use it to wipe your floor. The smell that will be left on your floor will eliminate those ants that are wandering around. It will really get rid of everything. This is the household tip that we brought you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do it and tell me what you think later. Folks, I would like to pass on a message that is in Acts 1-7. He answered them, "It is not for you to know the times or dates which the Father has set by his own authority." The disciples had so many questions for Jesus. He provided many answers for them, but also expressed that there were some things they simply could not know. Allowing them to know the dates and times of God's plans could very well prevent them from seeking God in the meantime. Jesus wanted them to know that God has final authority over time, and that trusting this would allow them to come to a faith far greater than knowledge of dates ever could. Stay with God, everyone. Until the next video. Bye.